जस्टिस नीलकंठ गंजू के खानदान ने जस्टिस गंजू कत्ल करने के मामले को दोबारा खोलने के मोदी हुकूमत के इक़दाम का खैर मकदम किया। जम्मू कश्मीर एसआईए ने मामले की तहक़ीक़ात शुरू कर दी है। जेकेएलएफ के यासिन मलिक और दीगर पर जस्टिस गंजू को कत्ल करने का इल्ज़ाम है।
Government recent decision to revisit the 1989-90 Kashmiri Hindu genocide cases after 34 years evokes a mix of emotions for me. Among these cases, the first one to be reopened is of my beloved grandfather, Justice Neelkanth Ganjoo, who fell victim to JKLF terrorists on November 4th, 1989. This decision has reignited in me a sense of optimism and for my community as well. This optimism had waned over the past 33 years as we longed for people to finally hear, acknowledge, empathize, and grasp the ordeal that we Kashmiri Hindus have gone through. Despite the pain of reopening the old wounds, the underlying hope remains that justice will prevail. It's about time that world paid attention to the atrocities committed on Kashmiri Hindus, on individuals, and on a community at large, categorizing it as a genocide. We have waited too long for justice to be served. I sincerely hope that reopening of Daddy G's case, Justice Neelkanth Ganjoo's case, will be one of the hundreds of cases that will follow and will bring some sense of relief and closure for the families who are waiting for justice to be served. I thank Government of India for this decision and wait to see what it brings for us. It definitely does bring a ray of hope.